Hello, welcome back. Just a second, let's drink something. Ah, I already make video in Spanish and in Italian, and I was need to drink a little bit. So today I'm gonna make a video. I try to make more short even than the version in Spanish or Italian because in Spanish was 30 minutes, in Italian was 20 minutes. Let's try to be more short. Um, okay, this video gonna be my honest opinion about Etoro, what is good, what is bad, and compare with other two brokers, fxpro and Admiral markets. Why? Because I used also these two before, and I know what is good and what is not so good for them, and I want to share with you. Maybe for you is good the other also. I put down in the description only the link to Etoro because it's what I use it, and that's why I put it. First, then start. I want to say you. Um, I use Etoro because it's good for me. I mean, I like what he offer me in kind of trading. I don't talking about the commission for invite other. Talking about trading. If I was not like what he offered to me, I will switch broker. I don't advise nothing that I don't use myself. And I use the good stuff, Javitoro, and not the bad one. You need to always, no one broker is perfect. So you need to find what is good for you and then use it that. So if you want to help me when you are ready, remember that when I don't advise nobody to start in trading in the market without being ready. When you are ready, you just subscribe with my link, go inside of eToro, put your own money for trade yourself, and automatic eToro will pay to me. So this from day money, not from yours. I think that it's the best way to explain a lesson to somebody about trading without asking money for a course. I think it's the best way. Or this, or just subscribe to my channel and put likes every sometime for I get paid from YouTube. That's what I wanted. I want to get paid from big companies and not for the more small investor. Why you need to pay to one person a course of €1,000 when you can take that €1,000 and invest yourself for make your money? I cannot understand that one. They already make enough money when they say the funny is they give you the course and then they give you the link of the broker. They make money from you. They make money from the broker. So what is that? It's not enough what give you the broker. I really don't understand. Okay, let's explain what I like it and what I don't like it. I want to be honest here. Let's start first with the spread because this you need to look in and it's some stuff that you need to look in eToro that I don't like at all and some stuff that I like it of them. Let's start with the spread a euro dollar. In eToro, you pay 3 pips for open one position. This means it's the spread between sell and buy. For FX Pro, you pay 1.6 pip, already less. And for admiral market, 0.7 pips, completely the less of all. So I need to see them right. The commission is every day you need to pay a small commission, and it's in all the three similar. GBP and USD is 4 pips in eToro, 2.1 in fxpro, and 0.9 in admiral market. So you can understand the difference there. USD GPI, 2 pips in eToro, 1.4 in fxpro, and 0.9 in admiral market. These two are more similar, but this one is always the great. This don't change too much. It's a good pair to trade really in all the three. Oil, you have 5 to 7 cents of spread. In FX Pro 9.5 till 13 and Admiral Market 3 till 7. So keep this in mind also. Commissions similar both of the three. So the only good in oil in eToro, if you are selling, they give you refunds that they don't give in the other two. Gold $2.8 for open one position and 17 cents and 3 cents. So you can see here a big difference. The good you have in eToro, a ETF who duplicate the movement of the gold and will be more cheaper, and also you don't need to pay commission each day that in CFD you need to pay each day from all the three. DAX 2 ticks, 5 ticks FX Pro and 1 tick Almiran Market. They are really in index, eToro and Almiran Market are the great. Commissions are similar in all the three. In stocks, 0.52 cents in April in eToro, 0.64 in fxpro and 0.15 in admiral market. Why for me is better Etoro? Because I have a real operation, real stock, and I don't need to pay commission each day. These two you need to pay commission each day, so at the end these two will be more expensive. Like you have also an idea. This is about spread. You need to know also that normally Etoro have a fixed spread the most of the time. Normally all, I really need to check it right, but till what I trade normally, they are fixed spreads, and it means when the market have big volatile and moving a lot, the spreads are the same. When you use fxpro and admiral market, spreads are very big when in news time, so I already advise you that. So carefully who trade day trading. I don't advise to trade it forex for day trading in Etoro. I think spreads are a little bit expensive by my point of view, but if you calculate them in your strategy, then you can trade it also in day trading, but need to calculate very good the spreads. If you want to trade in swing trading, then you can quietly trade them in Etoro. The spread is really don't disturb me so much. Okay, let's continue. What I like in Etoro, sorry I write in Spanish, but like this is more faster. I just translate for you each one. Is because have real ETF and stocks, real. That's what I like it. No commission in real stocks, only the spread, so it's perfect. Real cryptos, then not everybody give you real cryptos. Social network, that you can talk with everybody, you can find information inside, that's really great. The possibility of being copied, somebody copy you and you get money by that. Somebody, when you became popular investor, Etoro will pay to you, so that's great. You can make a business out of that, is what I'm trying to do. You can copy somebody and forget it. It means if you need to make your research, find a good to copy. You copy like someone other they are good, and you copy them, and you can forget because they will make money for you. You don't need even to learn how to trade, or take your time for trading for learning quite 1 year, and in the same time you make that money inside that account and will growing for you in that year, and after you can have more money for start trading. And the put outside money to eToro now is only $5, so they put very less. Now $5 is acceptable. Before it was 25 or too expensive, but now it's good. Spread are very low in stocks and ETFs. So I tell you, I don't put here no one example, but I also trade in other brokers who only trade stocks real. Believe me, here is more cheaper. Index CFD are acceptable. The spread, commission also are okay. The possibility of choose your own leverage, that's no one other place you can find it. You can choose your leverage in the moment of the operation. You or need to call or need to go inside of internet, change for all the account. Here you can choose each operation separate. That's amazing. I like the, I don't write it here also, I like the platform of Etoro about the information give it. It's really great for the information it's give it. It's amazing. You don't need to go, it's like a small Bloomberg terminal. It's really cool. The refund give it in some instrument are great, so I really, that's something to say. The graphic are very nice in the page of graphics, really nice, but the pro chart, oh yeah, okay, I will say now in the cons, have a big amount of stocks and ETF, more than anyone else I see. The clubs in Etoro mean how much money you have in your account. It's great. You have a great deals. Example, if you put you have more than $50,000 in your account, when you exchange your valuta in inside of the like you send euro and they change you for dollars, they will refund for you the difference. So that's really nice. Also, you have more than 50,000 inside of the account. They give you 1.65% a year for holding that money inside Etoro. So that's great. Also, they have a great events and present for clients that are more than platinum, more than 20,000 inside of the account. Last time they give it one radio speaker, very nice. Um, they even write you happy birthday, really funny stuff. And events, they send you to dinners, they send you to football teams, really cool stuff. I like the take care like this about clients. The talking with them, the client, I don't know, attention to client, really great. I have my manager that I call in, and every time he answering the moment. If no, I put appointment, he call me really faster. Also email, he's really faster to answer. So for me, this is, I think, is very nice. Regulation, they are regulate everywhere in Gibraltar, in America, in Cyprus, in Australia, in England. So they are everywhere regulate, so are very secure broker. What I don't like it, I think the spread in forex are a little bit too expensive by my point of view. Commission also, I will prefer they put a little bit less, but it's not so much. But I prefer that they will put down. Compared with the other, it's really a big difference. Uh, Lately, the graphic flow chart makes some troubles when you try to open many charts. Yes, go very slowly, and I cannot handle that. I need speed. I need good charts. I already writing them sometime. I hope they will change this chart, or maybe give to us the trading view version of the chart. Will be amazing. Then will be a perfect browser for me. If they just put little bit less the amount of commission, and will put to us graphic like trading chart, trading view, will be amazing. Other stuff that I don't write in but have to be there, it's about the position size. I think is too big the position size in some instrument. Example, in ETF and stocks are $50 for open one position. That's okay, it's good. In crypto is $25 for open one position, great also. But in forex or index is very high the minimum amount. So you have a small account, it's really you cannot trade that kind of position. And also in X1 the minimum is $2,000, 1,000. I think they are too high. I hope they will change that one in forex and index and CFD for helping us to can trade better in this. If they change this one, for me become the best Etoro. Now let's explain about fxpro. What have good and what have wrong. Good. The platforms they have it for analysis are amazing. For analysis, you have C-Trade, very good platform. You have MT4, very good platform. NT5, you can make your own scripts and create robots for make screeners and really this is amazing. You cannot have the social network like have Etoro, but okay, that we say after in the comments. It's regulate, I think to regulation have it. Have a big variety of CFD, that's also nice. You have trading central for everyone, that in Etoro you can have only if you have more than 20,000. The client attention, it's good. Cons, commission in everything. You have all the CFD, you pay commission every day, so that's I don't like it. Stocks are available only in CFD and only in MT5. Cryptos only in CFD. And all the spread, some of the spread are variable. It means they change depends of the news. That's I don't like it. Okay, admiral market. What have good? Spread in forex very low, very low. The more low I see, very good one. Spread in stocks also very low. Is regulate, have MT4 and MT5 like fxpro, have premium analytics, very nice program in MT4 that show you the analysis of index and forex, very nice, and news calendars, but very good one, a lot of information. Trading center for everyone, and the attention to the client, it's good. Now, what have not good? Commission in everything, again, I don't like that one. Only CFD, also have ETF, but all CFD. Spread too much variable, more than even fxpro. Really have coin that have good forex spread, but after they are very variable. I don't recommend that. What have also cons? No one of the two have a copy trade. No one of the two can become popular paying somebody copy you and make money like that. And no one of the two have a social trading. You cannot talk with nobody. You don't know what they're doing. Nobody. So that I think is a con that will be nice. Also will change. So that's the pro and the con of everyone. You can choose what you wanted. What I recommend, if you trade ETF and you have a small account and stocks or even Forex, I really recommend eToro for that. If you want to trade only Forex and trade day trading, so you can go to admiral market because have better spreads. But for the rest, eToro is the best. I use it because for me it's working perfectly what I needed. Have his bad stuff. What I do it, I don't trade Forex example. Why? If it's not working good, why I need to trade Forex? I have 1,000 of choices inside there. Why I need to put myself in something that I don't like how it's there? That's what you need to do it. You need to find what is good in each broker or bet and use it what is good for them. I don't gonna trade forex because I don't need it. I have enough with what I have in ETF, stocks, index, and cryptos. Why I need to go to forex? I don't need him. Maybe in future with a big account I will change. And in total with big account and no day trading in a swing, I can do it. Or in day trading with calculate good my risk. You can trade anything also there. That's why I chose eToro. If you want only forex, go directly to Admiral Market. I just tell you. But if you want to have a variety and have a diversified portfolio and have low risk, eToro is the best. And you have the plus to copy somebody, somebody copy you, make money and make a business from that. Talking with people, talking even to me, uh, learning by see other person. So that's what I think why I chose eToro. You can do whatever you want. That's up to you. That's what I thinking about and why I chose. It's a lot of misinformation about it. I also forget to say I'm sorry if you want to put outside money in these two brokers is for free, not like $5 here, but someone have some percentage that you need to pay of the amount you put it outside. In eToro it doesn't matter how much money you put outside, it's always $5. Keep this in mind also. And the variety of put money inside, also deposit or retire money from the or put outside money from eToro, it's unbelievable how many have it. No one of these two have so many variety of deposit and retire money. I telling you, in this also eToro is very good. So exist other brokers. I just choose what I know and what I used before. I use more than 90 brokers. Also, you can go try to find like the Giro for stocks and ETF, but you need to pay commission each time for open operation. You need to pay for hold it, so it's really not the same like in eToro. Really, eToro have no commission in that part. I hope you like the video. If you like, please click the like button, comment down below, subscribe to the channel. And if you really want to help me and really gonna start invest with all the strategy I already explained to you, please just go to my link and subscribe to my link to go inside to my link to eToro. Like this, I will get paid from eToro because um, I think the best method for me to teaching somebody is not to sell a course of €1,000, is to give it for free. And when this person want to invest his €1,000 in himself, I will get one small commission from eToro without touch your money. You can invest all complete your money to yourself. I think that's the best way to do it. Or just subscribe to YouTube and click like every sometime, comment sometimes, and when I already get enough subscribers, YouTube will start to pay me also. So thank you. See you next time.